Okay, let's try Chat GPT. Think about typical family talk about going to the beach and being at the beach. Use trusted sources. Simple for learners. Use this code and colour scheme: blue, green, orange, pink, purple, orange, blue vibe. Happy. There we go. What's going to happen? Okay, I would go for option A. I would actually want it to be in order, yeah? Okay, A. I like it, the showing the thinking. It's good. I don't like it that it looked at twinkle. Okay, that's listed alright. Getting ready, packing items, travelling to the beach, arriving at the beach, swimming in safety. Quite like that that's not in Te Reo for a change, but let's see what happens. Tātahi one moana koho naru kākahu koukou whānau kia moana. Whakarite haere whānau ke te haere whakatā tiaki rawe. See, ChatGPT is actually not too bad at Te Reo Māori compared with Grok. Kākahu koukou peke tāpuhi. Not sure about that one. And then here, look at this. What the heck? But I can manually fix that, right? See if I find anything else just wrong. Sentences. Ki te haere mātou ki tātahi karep. Mahara ki te haria o kākahu koukou. Okay, so it looks too bad. Looks good, but makes me worry. You have made other mistakes. Can you please fix that and double check the Te Reo? Thanks. I'm being nice. Sometimes I'm not. But anyhow, we can grab that code. Go back here. File. New text file. Boom. And then file. Save as. And let's just call that generic. Let's just call it Chat GPT 1. Just because. Gotta call it something. And then if we go back to our index, otherwise I lose everything, so I've got to have an index, even if it's all jumbled everywhere, at least it's somewhere. And we'll put it here, chat GPT-1. Oh, that was it. Completely different one. And this is beach. We could call it chat GPT beach, right? And then we can run the deploy again. Sitting there and I hadn't deployed it, so that makes life easy. Just make sure that's saved. And we're almost 6 minutes into this, and of course we've got another version by now. That'll be just about finished. Oh, just gave me those sections. That's okay. Paste this. And hat, towel, right? I was concerned about that. That's good, that's good. So this is the fix. I might actually just grab that. Gets a little bit tricky because sometimes it'll fix one thing and make another thing bad. So what I will instead do is I will go here to my, I called it ChatGPT, did I? ChatGPT-1. Okay. Just go away. Okay. I'll grab that. Control C it. File, a new file. Oops. What are we doing? New file. Control V. File, save, and this was chat GPT-2, and then that should be here. Okay, so the chat GPT-2, then I need to go back here and I need to copy that code, which goes to the end of the sentences, and it starts constant data. So this is where you need to find the constant data. So that was the stop editing, right? And then the constant data is there. Control V. So that fixed that up, and then I just need to go back to my index here. Oh, I could have just done it at the top, and I'll pop it here. Chat GPT-2. That was called Chat GPT Beach, so I'll call this Chat GPT Beach 2. Beach 2? I might as well call that Beach 1. I could try and be a little bit consistent. Number 1, and then number 2, and then we just need to deploy. File, save, and I've kind of got all these things open, so it's all good. Run terminal command. The terminal command I have actually got stored into here because it keeps trying to tell me to validate, whatever Firebase, and I don't need to. It just needs to do that command, so it just gets annoying. So, alrighty, here now you can see it has got the cooking. I'm going to go Control R, refresh, so then I've got my Chat GPT Beach 1. So that was the first one with the incorrect portai. That's an old video that's sort of stuck with the code, and the link to the code will be the wrong code at this point, but I can fix that up. That won't be a problem. So yeah, that's the first one, getting ready. Haere to go, whakatā to rest, kei te haere, are we going? Te aki, te care, look after, get the idea, but the new bit is kua whakarete koe, kia haere. Are you ready to go? Let's check the weather. Me titiro tate ki te huarere tuatahi. Kao. Okay. Ki. Nope. So I'd have to check that. And of course the cheats way would be to go in here. And remember that was the ChatGPT, so we find ChatGPT 1, and let's see, those sentences are here. Me titiro tātou ki te huarehi. I thought that's what I did. Maybe I didn't. Okay, let's go back. Oops, not that one. Me titiro tate te huareri. No, it was ki te huareri tuatahi. Right, okay, so it's my little joiners thingies that I was struggling with. Okay, that's why it's good for me to do this. Right, so that's the first bit, planning, packing items, travelling to the beach, arriving at the beach, swimming in safety, and I've got my sentences now. So my generic thing now has the sentences. Oh, and I've got swimming, playing and activities, eating and picnic, and going home, finishing up. And my sentences. Let's pack up and go home. Kei te kohi tātou ki te haere kāinga. Nope. Kei te kohi tātou ki haere te kāinga. Ki te haere kāinga. Kohi. Oh, pack up and go home. Pause. Okay, I did the cheat. Haere. Oh, whoops. Tātou haere ki te kāinga. And again, one has to admit I looked at the answer. Never mind. You get the idea. Ka kite anō. What a lovely day. Ka pai. Ka pai. Ka kite apopo anō, ne? Nera. Ka pai. Nera. E kite anō ra. Kau. Back to here. Ka kite anō. Oh. Nera he rā pai. Ka kite anō. Ne rā he rā pai. Phew! Okay, you get the idea. So that was the ChatGPT 1, and then if we go the second one, that was just fixed a little bit. Right, whānau, family, pānui, to read. Here we go. Rawe. Excellent, great, good, awesome. Whakatā, rest. Tiaki. Look after someone. Haere, to go. Kei te haere. Whakarite. Okay, so I know this stuff, but playing with it, okay, just makes it stick in my brain.